So, guys, as you just now saw, that question of the week is there. So, today I'm going to show you how can we upload really, how can we upload a GIF. So, first, to upload a GIF, if you want to remove your cat pride, just remove it. And then we will go to GIF. So, if you want to upload a GIF file on Scratch, are you unable to upload a GIF file on Scratch? And do you ever think that can we upload a GIF file on Scratch? Yes, you can do upload, but how to upload? Let me show you. So there is a website called GIF. I will write down the website's name. You see from here the website name. The website's name is GIRF, and just then type .com. So giffer.com, and here you can find and search many GIFs, and from there I just downloaded some GIFs, and I am just going to show you that how those GIFs work. So to add a GIF, you have to add the GIF as a sprite only. So click on upload sprite here. As you click on upload file, this happens, right? And now what I will do is I'll just upload any, anything, any like file, any GIF file. It can take some time to import, because what it will do is a GIF is like a video, okay, 5 seconds or 2 seconds video. So Scratch only takes images and costumes, right? So what it will do automatically, it will break your GIF into some frames. Okay, it is breaking your GIF into some frames, and then you will get your GIF there. So it may take some time to import the GIF and to load it. See, here is the GIF. I selected a black color GIF basically. As you can see, I basically selected a black color GIF. Now see, automatically we have so many frames of this. Now if we don't want to upload this one, if we want to upload another GIF, how to do that? I'll just go to again to my files. I will add a sprite, and I'll select any one of them, and just now I will wait a moment. So see, this is also a GIF like this. This GIF only you make a little bigger, and see. Okay, this is also a GIF. Now you duplicate these GIFs like this. So what is the code? What is it happening? The GIFs are GIFs only, but the GIFs are breaking into small images like a flip book. Okay. So how to attach these small images? There is a very simple code you have to do to attach the small images and form it like a flip book. When clicked forever, or how many times you want your GIF to be there, you can give 0.0.1 seconds for the nice flow of your animation, and just play. See this little code, and then you just duplicate, and it is so fun to do. See, duplicate it sometimes. And the website also, it's very easy website. Anyone can do there, and you see how good the animation is also forming. Let me just add one more GIF from here, and I hope now you know how do we add a GIF. Right? Now I'll add a cute like a cat GIF. Yeah, this one. So now as you already know the code, let me just go here and copy the code, because the same code for every sprite. Okay. See, just see, I even gave the same code for our this cat also. See how good the animation is going. 1.1 point 0 point, yeah, 2 points, 2 points, and 1 you can make a perfect animation. So I hope you like this video. If you like, don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel, and click on the bell icon if you're not receiving the notifications. So bye bye guys, meet you in the next video of Computer Girls. Till then, stay tuned. And this is the question of the week. I'll post like this question of the week videos every week on my channel, and other one a tutorial may come, and one more, two tutorials may come, and one question of the week will uh, come weekly. So bye bye guys, meet you in the next video. Stay tuned till then, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, that is Computer Girl, and also like this video.